Yo, morning everybody. So we're about to do our first job of 2025. We pre-trip the truck real quick, start her up. I'm gonna let her warm up for like 45 minutes. I'm gonna take a shower real quick and we'll head out. So like I said in the last video, we're gonna be hauling GAB, not asphalt. We're gonna be going over there in Ball Ground, Georgia, Martin Marietta Quarry, and hauling JB Holly Hill. It's only like exactly 30 minutes away, so and we're getting paid by the hour, so we don't have to like carry that much weight. Plus, I still need to break in the engine after a rebuild, so I'm gonna do light load, maybe 15, 16 tons. I usually carry 19. So when you start her up, you see if it even has battery, because that shit draining quick. It's only at like 12 volts now. Look at all that smoke. Every time I start it up now, it smokes like that. So I think the mechanic said it might be an injector or something, or I think that's what they said. I don't know. Maybe it's just a cold because it's cold right now. We'll see. We have to buy new injectors. Right now, it's running good. It just starts like that every time. I don't know. Alright, let's get back to work. Well, guys, when I was pulling into the road that goes to the quarry, I got a call from dispatcher, said they canceled the job. I'm like, damn. But the good thing is they're paying 3 hours minimum. Right now I'm waiting to see who's gonna sign me out, because I just got here and they have to pay me, of course, man, just because I came. I got no load on me. Yeah, guys, I just drove an hour and a half for nothing. At least I'm getting paid, something. 3 hours, 95 an hour. That's like what, almost $300. At least it's something, something. So right now I turned off my truck. Hopefully it starts back up, man, because I don't know. It's my first long drive after a rebuild, so we'll see what happens. Alright, guys, so today's probably gonna be a good day. We're gonna go. He just hit me for another job because one of the trucks broke down. It's an automatic truck that doesn't want to get out, like change gears. It's stuck in 5th gear, so they had to cut him off. So good thing that happened, but I'm sorry to that guy, but hey, I need to work, man. I haven't worked in 2 months. So we're going to the Martin Marietta and Cumming now. We're doing the same job I did in November. I recorded that video, but it turned out crappy, so I didn't upload it. But I'm gonna redo that video again right now. Alright, so the job we're going to pays $5.31 a ton, so I'm gonna get like at least 18 and a half. The Martin Marietta Quarry. Bad news, guys. That was just, look, those are the guys I'm working with, Stewart brothers. So I just got here. I was just getting into the quarry and I got a call from the dispatcher. Oh, he's calling back. Alright, so yeah, he just called me back right now and says, yeah, they canceled the job. They just cut off like 3 more trucks. So, but for this job, I'm not getting paid nothing. So hey, at least I got 3 hours another. So right now, just basically drove my truck empty. Got to drive it for at least like 100 miles. So now I guess I'm gonna just go back home. At least I didn't waste that much diesel. I filled it up this morning. This is how much we have left. Oh, looking to spill a little bit. I need to buy a new cap. Yeah, it's still pretty full. I didn't fill it up all the way, because those dang pumps, man, when you pay with a card, they stop like at 100. So I didn't want to go inside. Look at all this trash, man. These truckers are lazy as fuck, man. Dumpsters right here, guys. Come on. This is why they hate truckers, man. Like when the semis, man. That's why they don't let semis park wherever they want, because look how fucking nasty they are. One time, I even saw fucking underwear full of shit, bro. One fucking disgusting. Some trucker shit his pants. And they just left it there in the fucking trash. I mean, you know what happens. There's a fucking restroom like right there, man. There's porta potties for us to use. And you shit your pants about? Come on. Unless you have like a, you know, like a medical condition. So yeah, guys, right now I want to use my drone. I'm gonna give you a tour of this quarry with my drone. Oh, look at that Mac though. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, that Mac is pretty nice. It's 3:30 right now, and the quarry closes at 4:30. I don't know, let's see. We might make it back in time for another one. It also depends what the people at the job site say. So that's it, or one more. Let's see. Hopefully one more, because this is my fifth load right now. We can get 6, that'll be better, but 5 is good too. made something today. It's good. And the something is going towards the engine, because right now, man, it's gonna take a while to cover all that money I just spent. Probably like 5 years. Man, it's a bunch of bull. finished pumping the last load here. We did 5 loads. Apparently there's 2 different grading companies. I've been hauling for the wrong company, guys. I've been dumping for that company over there. I was supposed to dump for Stewart Brothers. No wonder I don't see any other trucks that I don't know. Like shit. I mean, they'll figure it out. I mean, I must still get paid for it, right? So I don't know, man. I've been hauling for someone else. Just how the trucks, those trucks are carrying the same material as I am. So I don't know. So I only did 5 loads in those 3 hours in the morning. Here, the yard where I used to work at is literally right there, right above this hill. That's where I used to work at. There's a Peterbilt 386 right there, just parked. I don't even know if they have a driver for it. I'm gonna show you a picture of it right here. Here's a video of me driving it. It's crazy, man. All this used to be like forest or trees and everything. And now it's all gone. I actually have a video of that yard when I was loading my own dump truck, when I became an owner operator last year. Last year we're doing some dirt, and I was loading up some dirt from that yard, and here's the video right here. So yeah, let's go home now. We're like 2 hours away, so because of traffic right now, traffic's gonna be bad. It's like 4:30, and traffic starts around this time. And we just do a quick post trip, make sure everything's good, and then we'll head out. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.